So what is up mga ka-tech shop? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Vivo Y91. Issue is display issue. So I ordered LCD and had to replace a new LCD for this phone. So before you attach the new LCD, you'll have to test the LCD and make sure display is working fine and touch is working fine. Now since we've tested it, we are ready to attach it. So let's remove the battery and remove the old LCD. So disconnect the flex cable for LCD and then apply heat on the edges of the screen so that the glue that holds the screen will loosen up. And then I'm using blade to start prying the edges of the screen until we remove the entire LCD. Alright, finally we're able to remove the old LCD, and then next thing that we'll need to do is clean up the edges of the frame so that once we apply the glue, it's gonna hold the new LCD. And I'm using alcohol and Q-tips to clean up the edges. Once done, let's test again the new LCD. Make sure it fits the frame. And then attach the earpiece protector or dust protector for the earpiece. And as you can see, touch is still working. Then we are ready to apply glue on the edges of the frame. So just enough glue and not too much. Clean up the excess glue with wet wipes, and then using a rubber band and clamps to keep the LCD attached to the frame, and wait for an hour until the glue dries up. Once done, then after an hour, we are now ready to remove the clamps. Then assemble the phone. Attach fingerprint and metal plate that protects the flex cable, the battery cable, the charging flex cable, and also the back cover. And then I usually provide tempered glass for my customers. So if you're interested in having your devices get fixed, then you may message our Facebook page, John Bourne Tech Shop. And for tutorials, you can visit our YouTube channel, John Bourne Tech Shop. Alright, let's go!